The use of such enormous blocks is the main reason many of these ancient structures, like the walls at Thera, have survived until today. But why was it so important that they remain standing thousands of years into the future?
There was an architect here who had complete understanding of stone, of masonry, and that you can do extraordinary things with it that will last a lifetime and forever. Not only did they actually build things which were guaranteed to last, often they're working with unusual angles, and they're so tightly fitted that earthquakes find it very difficult to break them apart. In fact, they are earthquake-proof.
Ancient astronaut theorists point out that other common design elements were incorporated in structures throughout the world to ensure their longevity, including the widespread use of metal braces inserted into keystone cuts to reinforce ancient constructions.
This unusual way of fitting large stones together is found in ancient Egypt, it's found in ancient Ethiopia, it is found in India and Greece and in Italy. It is found at Angkor Wat in Cambodia. It's found at the composites in Vietnam. And we find it in Peru at Ollantaytambo and at Cuzco. And we see it also at Tiwanaku and Pumapunku in Bolivia.
The two stones essentially have a channel dug in between them, and there's a certain slot into which is poured molten metal. Now, this brings up all kinds of questions because, one, alloys were not supposed to have been discovered until about 2500 BC. The fact that these stones go back to at least 13,000 BC creates a huge problem. We have here, again, shared technology crossing a huge span of time in order to make sure that the stones never, ever fall apart.
That the people living then were going to continue to use these tells us that there's somebody maybe with a longer time span was behind the design of these things. Whoever was behind the design wanted these things to last a really long time.
Who were the teachers of these engineering styles? The only conclusion there is that aliens had a hand in these creations a long time ago. They're all human-made, but with the assistance or the technology provided by extraterrestrials.